What if I told you your daily drive could feel like stepping into the future? Today, I'm revealing the top 30 car gadgets of 2025. Products that don't just look cool, but make your ride safer, smarter, and way more fun. From high-tech displays and starry skies to tools that save you in emergencies. Trust me, you'll want every single one of these in your car. Stay tuned to the very end, because gadget number 30 is basically like giving your old car a Tesla-style upgrade. And yes, all the links are right below in the description, so you can grab them instantly. Let's dive in. First up, keeping your car spotless without scratching it. These PBHEPJ extra-large microfiber towels soak up an entire gallon of water and leave 0 streaks. It's like giving your car a professional spa day right in your driveway. Pro tip, use one towel for drying, one for buffing. That's how you get that showroom shine. Quick question, do you wash your car yourself or hit the car wash? Drop your answer below. Imagine turning your car into a cosmic lounge. With this USB Star projector, you can light up your ceiling in violet blue starlight adjustable. Portable and powered by any USB, perfect for road trips, date nights, or just flexing on your friend's dot. It's tiny. But trust me, it changes the entire vibe. Would you install this in your car or bedroom? Let me know in the comments, car or bedroom. Now, safety meets style. The Somcore MagSafe car mount doesn't just hold your iPhone with 20 ultra-strong magnets. It charges it wirelessly at 15 West speed. One-hand mount, bendable aluminum arm, and it never slips. You'll never fumble with charging cables again. Be honest, how many times has your phone slipped off a cheap mount? Comment too many if that's you. Driving into the sun? Snow glare blinding you? The NAZZO Visor Extender blocks UV and glare with a polarized lens you can adjust in seconds. It's universal, magnetic, and feels like putting sunglasses on your entire windshield. Trust me, your eyes will thank you. Would you use this more in summer or winter? Comment below. Ready to make your car or truck pop? These Nilight RGB underglow lights sync to your music with 16 million color options, all controlled by an app. Waterproof, shockproof, and off-road ready. Whether you're cruising downtown or hitting a trail, this is how you stand out. What's your favorite car light color? Blue, red, or rainbow? Comment and let's settle this. Ever wanted that futuristic heads-up display like in luxury cars? This HUD GPS speedometer projects your speed compass and alerts right onto a 5.5-inch LED display. Overspeed alarms, fatigue reminders. It's like having a co-pilot watching your back dot. No more glancing down. Just keep your eyes on the road. Would you trust a digital HUD or stick to your old speedometer? Comment HUD or old school. Raise your hand if you've ever dropped your phone between the seats while driving. Annoying, right? The seat gap filler organizer solves it forever. Store keys, wallet, coins, cables, and no more fishing under the seat. It's like adding secret storage to your car. Asterisk. What's the weirdest thing you've ever dropped between your car seats? Comment and make us laugh. Flat tire at midnight? Don't panic. This portable air compressor packs 150 psi power, inflates a car tire in 6 minutes, and doubles as a flashlight. Rechargeable, compact, and precise with auto dash shutoff. It's not just convenient. It could literally save your road trip. Would you keep this for emergencies or for everyday use? Comment below. Charging chaos? Not anymore. The LISEN Retractable Car Charger powers up to 4 devices at once with lightning-fast 6.9W charging. No tangled cables. Just pull, charge, and retract. Perfect for families, travelers, or anyone tired of messy cords. How many devices do you charge in your car daily? Drop the number in comments. See this? Over 95% of people watching right now aren't subscribed. That means thousands of car lovers like you are watching, enjoying these gadgets. but missing out on the weekly drops. Asterisk, if you hit that subscribe button today, you'll be part of the first 5% who actually get these car tech updates before anyone else. Think of it like getting early access to the future, while everyone else is still stuck in the past. Be honest, are you already subscribed or are you in the 95%? Drop Team Subscribe or Team Soon in the comments. I'm curious to see which side wins today. And finally, the upgrade you've been waiting for. The LAMTTO Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto Screen gives any car a giant 9.26-inch touchscreen. GPS, Bluetooth, mirror link, music, calls, all wireless. All sleek dot. It's like giving your old ride a brand new brain. Would you upgrade your current car with this or wait for a new one? Comment below. First up, peace of mind. The SpyTech Atlas GPS tracker is like having superpowers over your car or loved ones. Track vehicles, kids, or valuables in real time with up to 14-day battery life, waterproof, magnetic, and it even sends alerts when your car leaves a boundary you set. Whether you're a parent or road tripper, safety just leveled up. Would you use this more for kids, cars, or valuables? Drop your answer. Ever fumble with wires while driving? Not anymore. The CHGeek 15W Fast Wireless Charger holds your phone with smart auto clamping. No hands, no stress. Mounted on the windshield, dashboard, or vents, and rotate 360 for the perfect angle. Safe, fast, and case-friendly. Honestly, it feels like Tesla tech at a fraction of the price. iPhone or Samsung Crew? Summer road trips, backseat meltdown? The Poraxy Car Fan saves the day. Plug it in, clip it on, and boom. Instant breeze for kids, pets, or anyone riding in the back. With 360 rotation and stepless speed, no one ever argues about a C again. Simple, powerful, family approved. What's worse, being too hot in the car or too cold? Comment below. Tired of messy trunks? Meet the Sudoku Trunk Organizer. Heavy-duty Oxford fabric. 8 pockets. 0 clutter. From groceries to sports gear, everything has a home. Installs in minutes. Fits most SUVs, and honestly, once you use it, you'll never go back. Tag that one friend who keeps everything in their trunk. Here's a gadget that could literally save your life. The RV Tire Pressure Monitoring System. With 6 smart sensors, it constantly checks pressure and temperature up to 144 psi. If something's off, boom, instant alert on the solar-powered screen. No wires, no stress. Just safer drives whether you're towing, RVING, or road tripping. Would you trust this system on a cross-country trip? Yes or no? Protect your ride with eyes that never blink. The REDTIGER Dash Cam records in 4000 front and 1080p. Rear with night vision so sharp it feels like daylight. Built-in GPS, parking mode, accident sensors, everything you need to prove what really happened. For under the cost of a speeding ticket, you get peace of mind 24/7. Question for the comments, would you feel safer with a dash cam? Flat tire, middle of nowhere? No problem. Fix a Flat seals punctures up to 1/4 inch and gets you rolling again in minutes. Eco-friendly, safe for sensors, and compact enough to toss in your trunk. It's one of those buy it before you need it gadgets. Be honest, have you ever been stranded with a flat? Tell your story. Tiny but mighty, the anti-slip dashboard mat. Holds your phone, keys, glasses, even has a rotatable phone stand and temporary parking. Number tag, washable, reusable, and it keeps everything in place, even on bumpy roads. Simple genius. Who else loses their phone between the seats? Guilty or not guilty? Road trips, beach days, tailgates. Wherever you stop, the gear top car side camping awning gives you instant shelter. At a massive 1911 feet, it covers 16 square meters. turning your vehicle into a portable outdoor living room dot made with 210T ripstop polyester and rated at 3,000 millimeters waterproof. It's built to handle both sun and rain. Setup is simple with 2 heavy-duty suction cups and adjustable telescoping poles, stretching from 72 to 83 inches high. Lightweight at just 9.4 pounds, it's easy to carry, yet tough enough for real adventures. Would you use this more for camping, beach trips, or tailgates? Comment your pick below. Last but not least, safety meets smart tech. The GreenYee wireless backup camera connects straight to your phone over Wi-Fi, streaming crisp HD video as you reverse. Night vision, waterproof, easy DIY install. Whether parallel parking downtown or backing up your RV, this one's a lifesaver. Would you trust your phone as your backup screen? Comment why ease if you would. Messy tissues in your car? Not anymore. The Fredysu Car Visor tissue holder is a sleek, black leather organizer that clips right onto your sun visor, seat back, or door pocket. Compact at just 9.5 times 1.6 inches. It saves space while keeping tissues always within reach. It's premium, elegant, and makes your interior look instantly more polished. Perfect for families, road trips, or anyone who wants quick access without clutter. Where would you clip this? Visor, seat back, or door pocket? Drop your choice below. Summer heat making your car feel like an oven? This solar-powered exhaust fan kicks hot air out and keeps fresh air circulating, all powered by the sun. It's eco-friendly, easy to clip on the windows, and keeps your ride smelling fresh. No more stepping into a sauna. Would you try solar gadgets in your car? Comment why ease if you love eco-tech. Car theft is real, but this 108 decibels wireless car alarm says not today. It installs with magnets, no wiring hassle, and blasts up to 108 decibels when tampered with. Plus, you get a wireless remote to arm, disarm, or even locate your car in a packed parking lot. What's the most high-tech security feature you want in your car? Let's talk safety below. Dead battery? Midnight? Middle of nowhere? Don't panic. The Energizer heavy-duty jumper cables are your ultimate rescue kit. With 16 feet of reach, cold-resistant coating, and a sturdy carry bag, these are built tough for trucks, SUVs, and everyday cars. A must-have in every trunk. Who here has ever been stuck with a dead battery? Share your survival story. Now, this is for my professionals and style-conscious drivers. The NAZZO Car Butler Coat Hanger, made of solid wood and chrome. It keeps your suits, jackets, and dresses wrinkle-free while you drive. Classy, elegant, and space-saving. Perfect if you go from meetings to road trips. What's your go-to outfit for long drives, casual or formal? Drop it in the comments. Flat tire? Don't wait hours for roadside help. The 68-piece heavy-duty tire repair kit has everything you need to plug punctures. From cars to TVs, even tractors. It's durable, compact, and lets you take control when the road gets rough. Would you trust yourself to repair a tire, or would you call for help? Vote below, DIY or call. Tired of strangers leaving dents on your car doors in crowded parking lots? The magnetic door protector sticks on instantly, shields your doors with impact-resistant foam, and removes just as easily. No scratches, no dents, no stress. Who else hates parking lot dents? Type ME if you feel the pain. Here's my favorite, the portable intelligent pressure washer pump. Compact, powerful, and runs off your car's 12 volts charger. It sprays with 160 PSI power to wash your car, bike, or even your garden tools. It's like carrying a car wash in your trunk. Would you wash your car at home if you had this gadget? Comment clean below. Long drives equal stiff necks, unless you've got the Yuka adjustable headrest pillow. Made with memory foam and premium leather, it adjusts for kids and adults, turning your backseat into a first-class lounge. Perfect for family road trips. Who's the car napper in your family? Tag them in the comments. And finally, the gadget I hope you'll never need, but you'll be glad you have. The Safe Hammer 2-in-1 emergency tool got it breaks car windows instantly, cuts seatbelts in seconds, and could literally save your life in an accident or flood. Small, portable, and essential for every car. If you had 5 seconds to escape, would you be ready? Comment SAFE if you keep this tool in your car. And there you have it, to 30 car gadgets that turn every drive into an experience. Which one was your favorite? Smash that like button, comment below, and don't forget, all the links are in the description so you can grab your picks before they sell out. Hit subscribe because I've got more trending car tech dropping every week, and you won't want to miss it. Until next time, drive safe, stay smart, and keep upgrading your ride.